Right, guys, this is just a bit of training for anybody that's got the Mega Messenger. Okay, if you've got it already, you should have received a script for email messaging, what I use with this software, so you can quite gladly copy that and use it to your advantages. If you haven't got Mega Messenger software, I highly recommend it. I use it all day and it helps me convert my leads into buyers and finds the really best customers for you. So onwards and upwards. For those of you that want to start with Mega Messenger, you hopefully should have uploaded your Chrome extension, which is here. So just click on that, wait for it to load up. Get rid of that. And then click on the back office button at the bottom. And that will load up. Now hopefully you will get a screen looking something like that. Okay, so if you go over to the script, what I gave you for the Mega Messenger, I gave you a code which is here. So you need to copy and paste just that code. Okay, go back to there, and then we go into, I think it's frameworks. Import and paste the code in there. Import and click yes. So just follow those steps, guys, and it is now imported successfully. So just to cover that again, you want to be clicking on import and then put your code in there and click import. Okay, so we'll go back to my tags, refresh. Always refresh, guys. You can't hurt anything if you keep refreshing, right? Okay, so we've got the default tag which was there when we first loaded it up. Okay, take no notice of that for the time being. That code has just created this tag. Okay, you can alter the tag name of it, you can do anything you like with it, but to start off with, you should have got that tag, and this message segment should show up 3. I've not got my teeth in, so it's this tag here, and when you press on it, it should show up like that. Okay, and just to double check you've done everything right, it should look like that. Okay, so you've got a green message 2, a hello, and a Facebook message 1 orange. Okay, so that's it for now. If you can get that set up, and then I'll catch up with you in the next video.